How to remove TikTok account from another device. So if you want to remove a TikTok account from another device, then what you need to do is open up your TikTok application at first. Once you've opened your TikTok, now go to the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here in the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you will have security options. So go for security, and under security you will have manage devices. Tap on manage devices, and here you will have all of the information or all of the devices in which you've been logged in. So here you can see all of the devices. So if you want to remove a TikTok account from another device, then here on the right side you will have delete option. So what you need to do is simply go for delete, which is on the right side, and tap on remove, and that's it. That device has been removed. So that's how you can remove TikTok account from another device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.